Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a quick potato dish. It's something that I cook whenever I want to eat. It's like a one pot dish and it's really simple. I have spices. These are the ingredients I'm going to be using. So for spices I have thyme, oregano, pepper, black pepper, basil, seasoning cube, and chili pepper. I also have oil, vegetable oil. I have rock salt. I guess it's called kaya tuzu. Rock salt, iodized fine rock salt. I have potatoes. I have cut 5 large potatoes into small pieces, so that's the size. I have garlic chopped. I have 355 grams of ground beef. I have peppers, sweet peppers, green, red, carrots, and green onions. Then I have tomatoes and onions. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use to make this dish. First, I boil my potatoes in salted water, and you can know your potatoes are cooked when like a fork or a knife can go through easily or it can break it. Then I get some of the vegetable oil in a pan. I didn't really measure, and then I put some salt, rock salt, in the oil and put my ground beef in. My ground beef is frozen because I couldn't wait, and then I break it down like in smaller pieces and just put some of the black pepper in. I use the black pepper for the beef. I also put salt here as well. I break it down, break it down, break it down until it's like fine. Excuse me. I keep on breaking it down until it's cooked through. Make sure that the red is completely like disappeared. There's no red in the pot. Then I get some more vegetable oil and get another pot. Obviously I put in some salt. I never put salt like in the food, so I put my salt in the vegetable oil or whatever oil I'm using, so I'm a bit heavy-handed when I'm doing that. I put in my garlic and stir until like it's fragrant for a couple minutes, not too long, maybe 2 minutes. I stir until it's fragrant, and then I put in all my vegetables, my onions, my tomatoes, my peppers, my green onions, carrots, everything, and then I stir like in a stir fry type, like I'm making a stir fry. When my vegetables are a bit soft, I put all my spices, all of the spices that I showed you earlier, I put them in and stir. I didn't break my seasoning cube this time. Honestly, I forgot, but normally I break it in. Then I put my meat. It will melt in the pot though, the seasoning cube. I put the meat in and just stir all of that, cook all of that. Then I put the potatoes in and just stir, like make sure that all the sauce gets in the potatoes and cook it in the potatoes. I stir and yeah, so I just mix, and after some time I've stirred and I leave it to cook for a little while, and my meal is basically ready. I just let it simmer for a bit so that the sauces get in the potatoes. The potatoes are not like bland, so when you're eating it you can actually taste the sauce in the potatoes as well. And I just keep stirring until it's fully cooked. And yeah, that's it. It's a really simple recipe. I hope you guys try it. I hope you enjoy it. It's nice when you want to eat something other than rice or swallow, just something. If you have kids, it will be really nice to make this for them to take to school. Just introduce something like a different flavor into their palate. And this is the picture. Thanks for watching. Bye.